Greetings, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Today's topic is a fascinating one that might have left you wondering, do polar bears live in Antarctica? It's a common misconception, and we're here to set the record straight. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of polar bear habitats, evolution, and the unique ecosystems of both the Arctic and Antarctic regions. If you're excited about learning the truth behind this intriguing question, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming exploration. Understanding polar bear habitat. Polar bears, those majestic creatures of the Arctic, are renowned for their ability to thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. But the question arises, do these polar predators also inhabit the icy landscapes of Antarctica? The simple answer is no. Polar bears are not found in Antarctica. Their domain lies thousands of miles away in the Arctic region. Unveiling the Antarctic ecosystem. When you venture to Antarctica, a vastly different assortment of wildlife awaits. Penguins, seals, whales, and various seabirds call this remote continent home. The unique ecosystem of Antarctica has evolved independently from that of the Arctic, shaping species specifically adapted to the extreme cold, icy landscapes and abundant marine life. Evolution, location, and climate. The absence of polar bears in Antarctica can be attributed to a fascinating interplay of factors: evolution, location, and climate. Evolution of polar bears. The lineage of polar bears traces back to brown bears that evolved around 1.4 million years ago. Their adaptation to the Arctic environment has been a relatively recent development, making them newcomers in Earth's long history. Antarctica's isolation. Antarctica's geographical isolation played a significant role. While the Arctic's land masses were once connected and allowed for the spread of bear ancestors, Antarctica drifted far away from other continents over 45 million years ago. This isolation hindered the migration of polar bear ancestors to the southern continent. Harsh Antarctic climate. The extreme cold of Antarctica, combined with rapid glaciation, presented challenges for the evolution of large mammals like bears. Despite the presence of small mammals millions of years ago, none evolved into specialized marine mammals like polar bears. The absence of sufficient marine life and the swift climate changes likely contributed to this divergence. Penguins and polar bears a mismatch. The idea of polar bears and penguins coexisting is a popular one, fueled by children's books and misconception. However, penguins inhabit the southern reaches of Antarctica, while polar bears roam the Arctic. Penguins' confidence in their water-based habitats contrasts with polar bears' status as top Arctic predators. Introducing polar bears to Antarctica would disrupt the balance of this delicate ecosystem. Polar bear population and conservation. Estimating the polar bear population is a complex task due to their solitary nature and vast territories. However, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, estimates that around 22,000 to 31,000 polar bears remain worldwide, listing them as vulnerable. Could polar bears survive in Antarctica? With the changing climate affecting the Arctic, some have pondered the possibility of relocating polar bears to Antarctica. While the climate might be suitable, introducing polar bears to a region devoid of similar land predators poses risks to penguins and seals. The consequences of such intervention remain unknown and could have far-reaching effects on the delicate Antarctic ecosystem. The reality of climate change. The plight of polar bears ultimately revolves around climate change.
As sea ice diminishes in both the Arctic and Antarctica, these animals face unprecedented challenges.
While relocating them may not provide a long-term solution, the crucial step towards polar bear conservation lies in global efforts to mitigate climate change. As we conclude this exploration into the world of polar bears and their habitats, we're reminded of the delicate balance that sustains our planet's diverse ecosystems. While the dream of encountering both polar bears and penguins might remain unfulfilled, our responsibility to protect these majestic creatures is crystal clear. Remember, nature's mysteries are boundless, and by understanding and preserving them, we ensure a harmonious coexistence with the Earth's wondrous inhabitants. Thank you for joining us today, fellow explorers. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this journey enlightening and share it with other curious minds. Stay tuned for more captivating adventures into the realm of science and nature. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired,